Hey, welcome everybody to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Steve Piacenza.
And I'm Cathie and thank you so much for joining us today. We have a very special project that we've been working on. There's so many layers and pieces and parts to this cool, creepy chic Halloween costume dress.
Yes, it's super cool, super creepy, and you need a few things to make this dress, starting with Mod Podge Fabric Edition. Fabric Mod Podge you're going to use. We're also going to be using some multi-surface apple barrel paints in timeless gray and white. What's great about this paint is that it works great with fabric, so you can wash your fabric up after you use this. And the tool we're going to be using is a simple toothbrush.
So the dress that we're using as the base of our costume couture look is a simple black dress that we got online. It was about 25 bucks. And one of the things that I really loved about this dress is this cool burnout detail that it had. Plus, we wanted to put in here a rib cage, like a skeleton Halloween kind of look, and it had a nice flat front. So those were sort of important things to look for in choosing that background. We sketched out a rough design for our rib cage that we're going to put in the center here. And for our ribcage, we're using the Fabric Mod Podge to apply this really cool lace. This has got a lot of texture and depth to it. For our embellishments, we're using some lace trim, and we scored these cool headbands at the dollar store. They were actually 2 for $1 because they were on clearance. I don't know why these would be on clearance.
They're pretty cool.
But we were able to nab these cool glittery sequin appliques off of the headbands, which will be perfect on our shoulders and for some details on this cool dress that we're going to make.
Super fun project.
I love it.
Hey, what do you think? What do you think of a Ribcage Mod Podge shirt next?
I'm all in. I am all in.
All right, so get ready, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to show you how to do it.
So we're starting with a plain black dress, and I love this dress because I love the detail on the hem. I'm using apple barrel multi-surface paint in gray and white, plus a variety of brushes and an old toothbrush. First, I'm going to distress all the seams on the dress using gray paint and the old toothbrush. Now this paint is multi-surface, so it's going to work on fabric no problem. After the gray dries for a minute, then I'm going to add a layer of the white multi-surface apple barrel paint. Once all the seams are done, I'm going to go in and do the neckline and the shoulder seams. I'm adding stripes to the skirt using the same technique of the round brush and the toothbrush. When they're dry, they kind of look like x-rays. For the hem, I wanted a dusty look. I'm using a soft, large brush just to paint those edges. I'm using some gorgeous lace to create our bones rib cage. To attach the rib cage, I'm using Fabric Mod Podge. Now, Fabric Mod Podge is machine washable, although I'm probably going to be hand washing this dress. I found these amazing sequin patch headbands at the dollar store, so I'm breaking them apart to create some embellishments for my creepy chic dress. For the skirt embellishment, I'm just going to use some lace behind the sequin applique, and I'm using the same Fabric Mod Podge to attach. I'm using the same Fabric Mod Podge to glue all my embellishments to the dress, to my side detail and my shoulder details.
Thanks for joining us, everybody, on this episode of Make It with Mod Podge. We hope we taught you how to take a little black dress and turning it into something creepy and goth. And Cathie is in the other room right now putting that on, so you're gonna see her in just a second. And don't forget to use those hashtags Mod Podge and Plaid Crafts. And I just wanna say happy Halloween to everyone. And here's Cathie.